What is the real meaning of cookies in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of cookies dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see cookies in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will get many desired results and rewards of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success. Now number 2, if you see buying cookies in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to start something new like a new business, job, etc. or investing somewhere that will give you financial growth in the coming future. Now number 3, if you see yourself baking cookies in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work in the form of success due to your high level of confidence and creativity. Now number 4, if you see eating cookies in a dream, then it indicates that you have chosen the right path in life that will give you desired results in the coming future, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance and delay. Now number 5, if you see broken cookies in a dream, then this dream wants you to make decisions very carefully. Only then you will be able to achieve the desired results in life, as well as this dream also suggests taking care of your health very carefully. Now number 6, if you see serving cookies to others in a dream, then it indicates easy success and support of others and harmony in relationships that will make you a successful person in the coming future. Now number 7, if you see or eat stale cookies in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your thinking pattern as soon as possible, because your past achievements can't make you always happy in the present time. So now this is the right time to set some new goals and work to achieve them. Only then you can feel real motivation and happiness in the present time.